When you employ Molly Housemaid, you're employing a professional. One of the marks of Molly Housemaid's professional cleaning company is that we clean your home with a strategy in mind. A method that takes on cleaning in an organized way, while having the versatility to integrate your custom-made wishes. And, we know our consumers love our service. Besides, sharing is good. Use our house cleaning checklist to clean your house efficiently and thoroughly. Before you start going room to space, time out first too. That's better. Now select Up Mess, and as you go, do not hesitate to second-guess your possessions. Mentioning closets, if you have any that you're scared to open, face your worries, it's time to go left to right, top to bottom, with microfiber fabrics. This will reduce irritants and enhance the air quality in your home. Dampened cloths connected to the ends of mops and brooms work excellent for eliminating cobwebs. Don't forget to hit the tops of doors, fans, lights, picture frames, and yes, each of your knick-knacks. Keep them in screen cases to minimize dusting work. For the face of framed pictures, television screens, and computer screens, use glass cleaner on your cotton cloth or microfiber to avoid streaking. Strike the floorings in the entire house and upholstered furnishings. Be surprised at all those missing out on items, socks, your favorite pen, that you discover under your couch cushions. For mopping, start at the farthest corner of the space and move back toward the entryway. Wash mop after completing each 4x4 foot location. Kitchen area cleaning. Checklistbathroom cleaning up checklist. Remove rugs, wastebaskets, if you haven't already when vacuuming earlier. Remove everything from tub, shower. Location. Bath mat in tub, shower. Wet tub, shower walls with warm water. Apply tile and grout cleaner, allow to sit. Spray, clean whatever with all-purpose cleaner except toilet, vanity, shower, tub, mirror. Fill container with cup all-purpose cleaner and water to prep for flooring cleaning. Apply tile and grout cleaner to tub, shower flooring and scrub. Clean shower rack, soap meals. Tidy shower track. Wash off walls of tub, shower and dry with fabric. Vanity. Spray tile and grout cleaner in sink, soap meal. Spray countertop with all-purpose cleaner. Scrub sink. Usage grout brush along faucet and drain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.